Let's water some garden. Sunflowers. Supposed to be the very extra large, but they don't look like they're going to be very extra large, but I could be wrong. Let's get in here. Get some watering done because it looks like we're not going to get rain. Ooh. My little fern. I think this got too big for the pot. My strawberries. Oh, look at them. Right.
I've done got everything except for the last 2 hills over on my outside.
Thank you. That plant right there looks pretty dry. I put a couple some seeds in that. And then I put some stuff. Actually, I put some bell pepper seeds, but they didn't come up. And we've ate some onions, so we replanted the part that we finished up. See? All the new onions coming up. Got some straggled tomatoes on the side there. Look at that. Look how pretty that first one is. It's so pretty. I gotta show you some onions. My lemon tree is looking much better, don't you think? Look at it. My cabbage, see, it got bugs on it, and it eat the leaves, right? So, I went and got some, like I didn't even have a head, so now I'm getting a head again. Some lime and put on it, so it's looking better. They just ate it up. There's some more onions. We have some more room, so we finished the onions. And if you can see that stick right there where that water is, I found a seed, a peach seed, and I put it in the ground. And I actually have some set down in that pot right there where my lemon tree is. My other plants are looking beautiful. There's my suckers that I planted last year. Let me get me some more water hose in here.
I drag it in.
Thank you. Here's some more, this is my suckers that I planted from my plum tree. Look at that, how pretty. There's one. That's what all these are. That right there is an apple tree. That's an apple tree right there. But the rest of these suckers, I don't think it's going to make it, to be honest with you. That one's still got some leaves on it right here. The rest of them's pretty bare. There's one. See that one right there, how pretty it is? That one on the end's an apple tree, but I think it's going to be dead. I don't think none of these is going to come out. I'm going to leave them because they still have a little bit of life inside when I scratch the bark off of it. It's so important to keep them so watered when you plant suckers. You've got to keep them watered, and if they get way too dry, they're not going to do any good. Tomato. I'm going to show you my beans. Look at my carrots, how pretty they're looking. It's beautiful. Look at this. These are good carrots here. They don't even taste like store carrots at all. Now you can see my zucchini over here. All of my boxes have real dirt and cotton soil, except for this box here. There's a potato growing in there, and I let it grow. Look at it in those beans. See it standing up there? I just let it grow. But this long box right here that Randall made me for my beans, it's all cotton soil. I put a little bit of compost in it, but I didn't have very much compost, so I didn't put. Look at my beans running now. They will be blooming before long. I think we're going to have a lot of beans this year, hopefully. Now, I'm going to do some canning on an open fire outside. Yeah, this cabbage right here is not coming back too good. Look at my lettuce. See my seed lettuce? I'm letting a lot of it turn to seed. And next year I'll have my own seed. So I'll plant lettuce from it. It's my garlic. I've already cut the scapes off of it. See how round the tops are? I've already cut the scapes off of it. This is a straggler tomatoes from last year. Look at my peppers, how good they're looking, guys. Look at all the little peppers coming on. Can you see them coming on? These are sweet banana. Look how cute. This one's full of bloom. There's some banana, sweet, mild, whatever you want to call it. These are bell peppers. Will probably end up being hot bell peppers, simply because they're planted beside of the hot bananas. These are hot banana peppers here. Look at the bloom on these babies. They're going to do good. Hey, let's see what we got here. Oh, look here, guys. You think that's ready to pick? Look how pretty it is. I think it is. Maybe we should go ahead and pick it. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Gran will like that. Look at there. Well, there's our first hot banana pepper of the year, of the season. Look how they're coming on. And believe it or not, you know when you have pepper plants, if you pick your peppers, it helps the plant to produce more peppers. So when you pick what peppers is on it, oh, look at my zucchini. Look at there. When you pick them, it helps it to start produce more. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful in there. Is that not beauty? This gives me such joy to see what God is blessing us with. Look how gorgeous. Look at these beans, how beautiful. See my potato in there? And I didn't pull it up. I want it to grow. Sometimes you have to take when your beans start running, you have to kind of help it get started a little bit on the string. See, Gran put some strings across. He put electric wire fence all the way across. See there? And then he put these strings hanging down. See? Now this one right here is off to itself. So we want to take it. We want to get it started. Get it wrapped around this string. See there? Sometimes you have to work with them and get them started. And sometimes they just don't want to start. But once they get a hold of it. Let's pull this string over here because I'm going to need one here. But look how pretty. But anyway, there is another plant in here that I did not remove. Here it is. What do y'all think this is? Let me show you without getting look here. What do you think that is? Look. Look, it came in this batch of potting soil, I suppose. Look at that. Does that look like cucumber to you? Or what does that look like? Anyway, look how pretty it is. And I left it. I don't like tearing it. I have to admit I have thrown away some of the I'm going to have to put some more lime. You see what they're doing to the leaves? I'm going to put some more lime on it tonight before I go in. There's some lime still left on it, but look how pretty the leaves are too. I don't like tearing any plant up and throwing it away because I think it's just a waste, even though I have had some tomato plants. Now, I'm going to show you what they did to my cabbage. These leaves were gorgeous. And look what the bugs has done to it. Okay, now, it didn't even have a head on it. It then ate the head completely away. So now they're getting heads on them because I put lime on them, which the lime has come off now, but more we're spraying, I suppose. But I think we're going to get pretty good beans out of this patch, hopefully. And that way we can. There's my peas. Look at my peas, how pretty. There's a yellow pea, but look how pretty the peas are. Look here. You know what? Look here, guys. I think I'm going to have to start picking a few peas. Them's ready. Them is ready to go. Look at there. I put these in my homemade stir fry. It is so good. Look at this one. Look at this one, how pretty it is. Ain't that gorgeous? Now see, I've got peas I've got to get off in here. Look here, getting some more bloom. Look here. Yeah, boy. But that plant is I guess it's just so dry. There's another straggler from last year I could not throw away. I threw about 6 tomato plants out of this. My beets are looking good, don't you think? They're really dry. I'm getting ready to water them. More straggler tomato plants. Look at the tomatoes on that, how pretty they are. Little Tommy Toast cherry tomatoes. I tied another piece of it up yesterday. Look at that. Here's another one. But I had to throw a bunch out of this. See these 3 right here? These come up from out of nowhere. I couldn't throw that away. Look at that. Look how pretty that tomato plant is. Now this one, maybe it's a different kind of tomato plant, so it don't look as thick. And this one is pretty too. That one is a straggler. I'm going to be throwing that stuff away. Can't give it away. I would give them away. Look here. This one died, so I just left it in there. Look now, it's coming back. Look at this one's coming out of the side of my compost. They don't look, the leaves, see how the leaves are turned a little bit because it's so dry. So I'm getting ready to water them though. Pepper and tomato. Pepper. There's a tomato. Another tomato, another pepper. I run out of places to put tomato plants, so I had marigolds planted in this, and I didn't want to throw them out. And they hadn't come up yet, so I stuck a pepper plant in there. But you know what? I'm wondering if they ain't going to kill that pepper plant, because look, that might be from it being so dry. It is really dry. So there's some more. So we're getting ready to finish watering, but I wanted to show everybody how good the garden's looking. This is my little piece of heaven here. I just want to, I'm not in here near as much as I should be or I could be, but it's just wonderful. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you.